Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be looking at making American style biscuits. I got this recipe off of allrecipes website. It actually came out tasting really good, so you should definitely try it out because I'm going to try it out for Christmas time. I hope you guys like this. Just follow along, and I'm also going to leave the link to where I found the recipe, and you can also make it yourself again. So guys, enjoy.
Perfect.
To start off, I'm super sorry about the quality of the first part of the video. It gets better, I promise, as you go on ahead. The first thing that started off, I added in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mixed everything together. Added in the margarine and the oil. Mixed that together. After that, added in the buttermilk. And then mixed everything and it stuck to each other. So over a floured surface, I turned out my dough onto that, and then I just put a little bit more flour on top so that it doesn't stick to my hand, and then I just flattened it to the size that I wanted it. This was also because I didn't have a rolling pin, so I decided to use this method. And then after that, I just used a glass because I didn't have a cookie cutter. It's always improvising, guys. Also, my baking tray, I just grease my baking tray and then use some flour so that whatever I'm baking doesn't stick to it. It's a very nice hack that I saw somewhere on the internet for baking. And then after that, you put them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. I think that's fairly enough. And then take them out and then just that margarine all over that, and then just taste that, and it tastes amazing. And you can eat this with like gravy, with anything. It's savory, so you can eat it with anything. That's it for me, guys. It was fun making that, and I do want to try it again. You know, they say practice makes perfect, so I want to try this again and see how it comes out. Try it out yourself, see how it goes. Again, I will leave the link down below to where I found the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Also follow me on all my social media links. That's it for me, guys. Till next time. Bye.